We just landed in Seattle for a pre-cruise stay and decided to stay at the State Hotel in downtown Seattle. We've never stayed here before, heard it was a nice boutique hotel, and we're going to check it out. So I'm going to let you help me discover what this room has to offer. This is a City View King. Looks compact but functional, with muted tones. Some unique artwork. Checking out drawer storage. Nice. At the bedside. First thing I noticed is that the drawer handles are leather. So that's kind of a nice. Leather seems to be a theme throughout the room. Two large drawers here, again for storage. Water and coffee or tea maker. Flat screen television, so standard hotel amenities. Large king-size bed, and from what I can tell, it's really comfortable. So we're looking forward to discovering that. I'm noticing that the leather theme continues. Even the TV remote is in a leather holster, I guess you would call it. Magazines and such. Telephone, Wi-Fi is included in your rate. Got a decent city view, mostly of a parking lot, but it is a city view. Let's see what else the room has to offer. It's nicely lit. The bathroom has a sliding door. That's a unique touch. Kind of a warehouse feel. And I do like it has a large shower, big enough for two. Nice fluffy towels. Standard bathroom amenities. One thing I really do like is they have robes, his and hers robes, that say the name of the hotel. There is also not a closet, but an open hanging shelf and an in-room safe. You can request ironing boards and iron and other amenities. There's a rooftop terrace that we're looking forward to going up to discovering. So, we're looking forward to experiencing the State Hotel and Seattle. If you're looking for a pre-cruise stay or post-cruise, check out the State Hotel.